Minister of Livestock Development, Mr. Idi-Mukhtar Maiha, says addressing food challenges in Nigeria involves tackling issues of affordability and availability. Maiha communicated this at the 22nd Daily Trust Dialogue held in Abuja with the theme, Food Security, Availability or Affordability.
Today, as we deliberate on this essential topic, we are confronted with the reality where hunger and food insecurity remain significant challenges to millions of Nigerians. Hunger remains a pressing challenge in Nigeria, the most populous country in Africa. Despite its abundant natural resources and fertile land, millions of Nigerians face food insecurity daily.
He said that addressing hunger involved answering both the availability and affordability questions, as the factors were critical in ensuring equitable access to nutrition.
Addressing hunger involves tackling both the availability and affordability of food, as these factors are critical in ensuring equitable access to nutrition. In the 2400 index, this has been shared by a number of people here. Our low per capita consumption, for instance, of milk is only 8.7 liters per year, while the average global is 44 liters per year.
On his part, the Speaker, House of Representatives, Abbas Tajuddin, said that the theme of the 2024 dialogue was apt at a time when Nigeria was on the verge of food catastrophe if adequate measures were not put in place. The Speaker was represented by Representative John Okafor, Chairman, House Committee on Nutrition and Food Security.
Food insecurity is increasingly approaching critical levels, as captured in the 2024 Canada Harmonized Report of the Food and Agricultural Organization and World Food Program, which projects that 26.5 million Nigerians are currently facing severe or crisis levels food insecurity. The recent floods across some parts of the country, especially the most devastating one yet in Maiduguri, Borno State, has been projected to worsen food insecurity and malnutrition in Nigeria. Food security is a critical issue that involves ensuring that all people have sufficient, safe and nutritious food to maintain a healthy, active life. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. The National Assembly is poised to enhance food availability and affordability in Nigeria to support the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, who is our leader. I implore all of us to join hands and ensure that no child, be it in Damaturu, Yenegoa, Badagry, or Kawan Moda, goes to bed hungry.
Chairman of the occasion, Professor Godfrey Nzamu, who is the Director General, Songhai Farms, Benin Republic, said a more sustainable and integrated method would help Nigeria to cut down the cost of food production.
Yes, brothers and sisters, we can produce more and better with less. That is the only way we can make food available and affordable at the same time. After answering that, it is possible, but only when we change the way we think, the way we act. Unless we embrace a new way. So we have to deconstruct our mind based on the old system, the old Cartesian, balance of thing, and embrace a new way of thinking. Unleash the power of our environmental capital that's incredible in Nigeria. But we're not doing it. We're killing them. So yes, this transformation is already on the way in Nigeria, led by a new generation of young people, not the old ones. We have been training our young people for the job of yesterday, but we're not training our young people for the job of tomorrow. So the beginning of this revolution is making agriculture sex, for example, they use that word, making it interesting for them. That's the beginning of it. How can we do that? We must deconstruct on the old system and reconstruct and re-equip them with new tools to make it. Young people are the key. That's why I'm very, very happy the young people are here today.
In her remarks, the Chief Executive Officer, Tomato Jaws, Ms. Mira Mehta, said that affordability and availability went hand in hand and worked simultaneously towards the achievement of sustainable food security.
In the last few years, we've seen dramatic increases in food prices. And Even though I am, I guess, a Nigerian at heart, I've been here for 14 years, and food prices in Nigeria, as everybody knows, because everybody here eats, have become much more expensive. And Nigeria having a low GDP per capita and higher absolute cost of food is that Nigerians spend way more of their money on food than other people in other countries, even in other countries in Africa on the continent.